Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard jelly. First, gather your ingredients: milk, sugar, eggs, and gelatin. You'll also need a saucepan, whisk, and measuring cups. Precision is key, so measure everything carefully before you begin. This ensures your jelly sets perfectly and has that delightful creamy texture. Let's get started on this sweet treat. Now, let's prepare the custard base. Gently heat 2 cups of milk with 1/2 cup of sugar in a saucepan, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. In a separate bowl, whisk 3 egg yolks until light. Slowly pour a small amount of the warm milk into the yolks, whisking constantly to temper them. Then, add the tempered yolks back into the saucepan and cook slowly, stirring until the mixture thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Next, we'll add the jelly component. Bloom 2 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin in 1/4 cup of cold water for about 5 minutes until it softens. Once bloomed, stir the gelatin directly into your warm custard mixture until it's completely dissolved and smooth. This step is crucial for the jelly's texture. Now, pour the mixture into your chosen molds, like ramekins or small bowls, and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or until firm. Once your custard jelly is perfectly set, carefully unmold it onto a serving plate. You can garnish it with fresh berries, a sprig of mint, or a light fruit coulis for an elegant touch. This dessert is wonderful on its own or as part of a larger spread. It's a delightful treat for any occasion, offering a smooth, rich flavor that everyone will love. Remember to check the description for the link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.